Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how dividend stocks work in an easy step-by-step way. First, a company earns profit from its normal business operations. When the business sells products or services and makes more money than it spends, it may decide to share part of that profit with its shareholders. Next, the company's board of directors declares a dividend. This means the company officially announces how much money it will pay to eligible investors and when the payment will happen. After that, an investor buys shares of a dividend-paying company. By owning shares, the investor becomes a partial owner of the company and may qualify to receive dividend payments. Then, the record date and ex-dividend date become very important. To receive the next dividend, the investor usually needs to own the stock before the ex-dividend date. If the stock is bought too late, the investor may not receive that payment. After the eligibility is confirmed, the dividend is paid. The payment can be sent as cash into the investor's brokerage account, and depending on the company, dividends may be paid monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Moreover, investors often look at dividend yield to understand the income rate. Dividend yield is calculated by dividing the annual dividend by the stock price. For example, if a stock pays $2 per year and the stock price is $40, the dividend yield is 5%. Furthermore, the investor can choose what to do with the dividend. They can take the cash for personal use or reinvest it by buying more shares. Reinvesting can help build wealth over time through compounding. However, it is also important to understand the risks. Dividends are not guaranteed. If a company's profit falls, it may reduce, pause, or completely stop dividend payments. So, dividend stocks can provide passive income, long-term growth, compounding potential, and stability for mature companies. But before investing, it is important to study the company, check its payout ratio, understand the dividend yield, and manage risk carefully. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.